know better now. That's a girl, man, I go. Max put it on Facebook.
And I say what that them people don't there to do. Make sure you get crowd and come back so they don't really know if we're already. Yeah. I will see we really have a funeral. Yes. Funeral come dance out. They must get home to sideline there, see the crowd there, watch what happens in the crowd. Grandma run the place. Grandma push back hard. That's that kind of woman they got home up.
Yeah,
grandma just like a dog, you know, and a sheep.